Today we are going to go over 7.2 part 1 integration by tabular method. Just based on the name, we are going to make a table to solve the problem. For any problems, if you see x to the nth power times a function fx dx, when we integrate this, the first thing comes to your mind should be tabular method. N here has to be a positive whole number. In this case, we can use the tabular method. I'm going to show you how do we solve example 1. Use tabular method. So if you look at here, x squared times a function of x, and the power is a positive integer. So we have 3 columns. The first one, we are going to make a sign, and then derivatives and antiderivatives. Now we are going to copy x squared and sign for x here. Now we are going to follow the second column. We are going to take the derivative of x squared, give us 2x. The derivative of 2x give us 2, and the derivative of 2 give us 0. We will stop when it reaches 0. When we take the antiderivative sign of 4x here, give us negative 1 over 4 cosine 4x. We are taking the antiderivative of this, give us negative 1 over 16 sine of 4x. And we take the antiderivative again from here to here, we'll get 1 over 64 cosine 4x. And now we are going to include the sign here. The sign start with a positive and then negative, positive, negative. And then we draw an arrow like this. We follow the arrow. We are going to multiply each term. So the first one, x positive x squared times negative 1 over 4 cosine 4x give us the first term. Negative 2x times negative 16 give us 1 over 8, negative 1 over 16 give us positive 1 over 8. And then 2 times 1 over 64 cosine 4x give us 1 over 32 and plus a constant c. This is what we call the tabular method. You'll have 10 minutes to practice the following problems, and after you finish, you can compare your answers with mine. After you finish, these are the answers for the first 2 problems. Make sure you check the negative sign here. And this is the answer for the next 2 problems. Please have a look. And now I'm going to go over the last question, which is the multiple choice problem. So everybody, if you look at this problem, given table, x value, f of x, f prime of x. If 0 to 4 f dx is 8, what's the value from 0 to 4 x f prime dx? When we look, this is x to the first, and we have another function. We might be able to use the tabular method. This is definite integral. So first, we solve the indefinite integral first. So we make a table, the sign, the derivative, antiderivative, x, f prime. Derivative of x give us 1, derivative of 1 give us 0. Antiderivative, antiderivative of f prime give us f of x. Antiderivative of fx give us integration fx dx. So plus, minus, plus. So this would be equal to x times f of x minus 1 times fx dx, integration of fx dx. Now we are going to put the boundaries here. So 0 to 4, 0 to 4, 0 to 4. So the first one give us 4, f of 4 times minus 0 times f0. And the second one, 0 to 4 dx equals 8. Based on the table, f of 4 is negative 3. So this will give us negative 20. So the answer will be A.